how's everyone doing? Are we ready for story time to go with Miss Janelle at the DeSoto Public Library? And we are getting ready for Christmas. Do you like Christmas? Yeah, I like Christmas too. But wait a minute, who are we missing? Someone else who might like Christmas. Who are we missing? Otis! Oh, should we wake him up? Yeah? All right, do you remember the one way in the whole wide world to wake up Otis? We have to say 1, 2, 3, wake up Otis. You think you can do it? Yeah? All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, wake up Otis! Otis, it's time to wake up. Oh no, I don't want to wake up Otis. It's story time to go. Oh, okay. Oh yeah, I'm here, I'm awake. Are you really? Yeah. Okay, Otis, are you ready for today's theme? Oh yeah, I'm always ready. What are we gonna learn about today? Today, we have got books and a craft about reindeer. Oh, reindeer, I don't like reindeer. Otis, you don't like reindeer? No. Well, why not? There are magic reindeer that pull Santa's sleigh. I know. And you don't like them? No. Well, why? Well, I wanted to be the one to pull Santa's sleigh. You did? Yeah. Okay, and what happened? Well, they told me I wasn't a reindeer. Oh, well, you aren't. I know. And then they told me I couldn't fly. Otis! Yeah, but it's okay. You don't have to be one of Santa's reindeer. I don't. No, because you know what? What? If you are at home sleeping, yeah, then Santa might bring you a present. Oh, but if you were pulling the sled, yeah, you might not get a Christmas present. Oh, okay. That's a good idea. Yeah. Then I don't want to be a reindeer. Oh, good. I'm glad. Today, we are going to make reindeer. Oh, okay, I guess. But Otis, yeah, these aren't just any reindeer. Oh, they're not? No, these are Candy Cane Reindeer. Oh, yeah. Then I really like these reindeer. I want to do this craft. Can I do this craft? Yes, of course you can. But there's one thing. Yeah. You have to stay awake to do this craft. Oh, yeah. I'll stay awake so that I can have that Candy Cane Reindeer. What do we do? Otis, yeah. Well, first we have to make it. You can't just eat the candy cane. Oh, okay. I'll stay awake. Now, what do you think? Do you think Otis is going to stay awake? Yeah. I am. Does Otis usually stay awake? Yeah. I always do. Yeah. I will. For candy canes, I will. All right. Let's see if Otis will stay awake so that we can make a candy cane reindeer. Yeah. That sounds really good. And let's see. Oh, man. Otis went to sleep. And so I guess he's not going to make a candy cane reindeer with us. Let's get started with our craft for today. First, we have our candy cane reindeer. And he's made out of a candy cane. And he has pipe cleaner antlers, a pom-pom nose, and googly eyes. So when you come to the DeSoto Public Library and pick up your Story Time to Go craft kit, inside you are going to get a candy cane, some googly eyes, a pom-pom nose, glue dots. These are very important for sticking on your eyes and your nose. A pipe cleaner and a piece of ribbon. Now this is a super simple craft, which is why you will get to make 2 reindeers because you need more than 1 reindeer to pull your sled. So the very first thing you're going to do is you're going to take one of your glue dots and stick it on the tip of the candy cane right here. A green nose. But can he see? No, he needs to have eyes. So we're going to take the second two glue dots and we're going to put them above the nose. Missing that a reindeer usually has? Yes, you are right. He's missing the antlers. So the next thing you're going to do is take your pipe cleaner and fold it in half so it's like this and twist it a couple times here. And then you get to design your reindeer horns however you would like. I'm going to make mine be curly cues. Done! He looks really good. Now, the last thing you're going to add, he needs a ribbon. So with your ribbon, you can tie a bow so that he can have a very warm scarf. And there you go. We've got our magical candy cane reindeer. Let's call him Whimsy because he's a little bit whimsical. And then when you get your kit, you can make two reindeers. So I've got Whimsy and I've got Flimsy. All right, these are some great candy canes. Do you think that Otis will like the candy canes? Should we wake him up? But do you think if we wake up Otis, he will try to eat Flimsy and Whimsy? Okay, we'll go ahead and wake him up. Now, are you ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Wake up, Otis! Yeah, I was awake the whole time. You were? Yeah. Are you sure? Okay, fine, I wasn't. I was having a really good dream. You were, Otis? What were you dreaming? I was dreaming that I was Otis the flying sled dog. Otis the flying sled dog? Yeah. And I got to pull Santa's sleigh. Oh, that does sound like a really good dream. Yeah. And I didn't need any stinking reindeer. Oh, wow, Otis, I thought we were going to be friends with the reindeer. Well, we are. Yeah, because we made reindeer. Oh, yeah. Where are the reindeer? I don't see reindeer. Wait a minute. Yes, you made the reindeer without me. Well, you fell asleep. You were dreaming about reindeer, and we made our candy cane reindeer. Oh, I see. You made them for me so that I can eat them. No, Otis, these are our decorations. Maybe we can put them on a Christmas tree or hang them up around the house or the library. No. I want to eat them. I'm going to eat them. They're really good. Otis! Spit out our reindeer. Oh, okay. Oh. All right, friends. Well, thank you for joining Otis and I for this special Christmas story time to go. And when you come to the library, you'll get to make your own candy cane reindeer. Oh, yeah. It's going to be delicious. All right. So we'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.